Good morning, students. Today we will start with 6th chapter of EVS, that is diet and health. Now understand, why do we need food? We need food to get energy. Yes, we need energy from the food, but it doesn't mean you can eat any kind of food in your diet. That means we should include such food in our diet that contain all the nutrients in a right amount. Nutrients that you all know: carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that are present in our diet. So it means we should eat such food that contain all the nutrients in a right amount, that we call balanced diet. Now understand, what will happen if we will not eat a balanced diet? Then we will suffer by a condition called malnutrition. It is a condition that develops in a person if a person does not eat enough food or right kind of food. Means the causes of malnutrition is poor eating habits and lack of nutrients in our body. It is mainly caused due to lack of carbohydrates and protein in our diet. If a person is suffering from malnutrition, then he will look weak, underweight and get sick easily. Over the years, we are finding that many children are dying due to malnutrition. Now the second topic which we will discuss is obesity. Now understand, what is obesity? Obesity is a condition occurs when we eat too much of carbohydrates and fats in our diet, because this extra carbohydrates and fat get stored in our body and makes us overweight. This obesity can cause many diseases. As we have discussed earlier, that we should eat a right amount of all the nutrients in our diet. That means we should take proper amount of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. But if we will take extra amount of any of these nutrients, we will suffer by our diseases, right? So malnutrition is the disease, or we can say the condition arises when we will not eat proper amount of carbohydrate and proteins in our diet than required by our body. On the other hand, obesity is the condition arises when we start eating too much of carbohydrate and fat in our diet, because this extra carbohydrate and fat gets stored in our body and makes us overweighted. Obesity is called motapa in Hindi. That means it is a condition arises if we start eating the food that contain extra amount of carbohydrate, like we start eating too much rice, potatoes, bread and dairy products, then we will suffer by a disease called obesity, because this extra carbohydrate and fats will stored in our body and makes us overweighted. On the other hand, malnutrition means like if your body is required certain amount of carbohydrate and proteins and you are not taking that much quantity, you are taking in a less quantity, right? You have a poor food habits, then you will suffer by a condition called malnutrition. Now I hope you all have understood the meaning of malnutrition and obesity. Malnutrition condition arises if we will take less amount means the amount that is required by our body. If we start taking less amount of carbohydrate and proteins than required by our body. And obesity is the condition if we will start eating too much of carbohydrate and fat and we become overweighted. Clear? And secondly, we have understood that we should eat proper amount of all the nutrients in our body: carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. We should take all such nutrients in our diet in a right amount. That is called balance. Now